If your Spectrum Xumo box is freezing, a quick reboot or refresh can solve the problem. Rebooting, also known as power cycling, involves unplugging the Xumo box from the power outlet, waiting 30-60 seconds, and plugging it back in. This clears temporary memory and restarts software. Alternatively, refresh an app by pressing the Home button, navigating to the app, and selecting Refresh or Reload in the menu. For a full system refresh, go to Settings, then System, then Refresh System. This clears the cache and reloads the firmware. Remember to allow proper ventilation around the box to prevent overheating and future freezing. If your Xumo box continues to freeze, first ensure adequate ventilation by keeping at least 4 inches of space around the box to prevent overheating. Next, verify your Wi-Fi signal strength is at least 25 megabyte per sec to ensure smooth streaming and reduce freezing. Make sure your Xumo box has the latest firmware by navigating to Settings, then System, and selecting Check for Updates. As of September 2025, Spectrum is actively pushing firmware updates to fix common freezing issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset via Settings, System, Factory Reset to resolve deeper issues. But remember to back up your settings first, as this will erase all data. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.